I am Dr. N.S. Olua, Senior Lecturer, Department of Zoology and Environmental Biology, with bias in aquaculture and fisheries. This is a discipline that bestrides two disciplines, biological sciences actually, and agriculture and environment. In essence, the discipline deals with the study and the contribution of zoology. Zoology as a central field in living sciences, including ecology and human development. With respect to aquaculture and fisheries, it's important that we know the types, the diversity of the aquatic living resources, both finfish and non-finfish resources of the world. Because essentially, man will have to husband these fish or harvest them from the wild with a view to improving their protein supply. Because presently in the third world, the greatest problem is protein deficit in our diets. So with fisheries and aquaculture, we intend to leverage on the abundant resources in the wild to culture it, raise it, to table size with a view to reducing the imports of these resources into the country. Most importantly, we train our students to be self-reliant employers of labor by teaching them the technique and arts of fish husbandry, and also be on their own in terms of pest control with a view to managing crop and non-crop pests, including the ticks that afflict our livestock and even human beings. It's also very important that you know that zoology is the home of public health studies, because we're able to take care of, learn and deal with or neglected tropical diseases and well-known tropical diseases, their control and then management. Zoology as it were and environmental biology is the centerpiece of all environmental sciences, because whatever we talk about in the environment revolves around animals and man. And any change in the environment, ecological change, will revolve on man and it will affect development. So essentially, zoology is at the heart and center of human development. Human development as it relates to agriculture now, like I mentioned before, health, and indeed environmental management. So we liaise with those in engineering when it comes to water resources management with a view to managing the aquatic resources, including the wetlands, with a view to sustaining the abundant biodiversity in those areas in order to maintain balanced ecosystem and indeed overall biosynosis. See, zoology and aquaculture and marine science deals with their resources. What are the factors that are influence life in water? Those physical and chemical phenomena are dealt with. We train our students in these areas, so we train them to be competent technocrats in these areas, and they become the bedrock of sustainable development when it comes to understanding the processes involved in these areas. So essentially, discipline is an area that, unfortunately, Nigeria is not. Fisheries and aquaculture is in the rise now because of the high cost of importing food, especially with respect to exchange ratio, dollar to naira ratio. Find out that people are already keen into aquaculture. Aquaculture industry is in the rise, so that people begin to appreciate the role of aquaculture in national development with a view to balancing protein energy equation of our diets. Thank you very much.